Have you been wondering how you can make your own Ovaltine? Don't worry, this recipe. This is very easy to make. You know what? Very easy. All you need to do is to sit back and watch till the end to get all the steps right, okay? Let's dive into it and let's get it right, okay? So here I'm using this is very secret recipe, the malt powder, and this is cocoa powder, powdered milk, powdered sugar, cinnamon powder, and vanilla flavor. So I'll mix everything to well combine. So I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for this recipe on my description. Please check out my description for the right measurement of the ingredients that I use. So I have to whisk everything all together. In this process, you can use a blender to mix everything together. Well, since it's already like a fine powder, I decided not to use blender to do it. But if it happens that your mortar is still on a belly, you know, bellies, the belly seed, the sprouted bellies, yes, that's where the mortar came from. So if it's still on a seed form, I advise you to use the blender for this process. So you can see the Ovaltine is ready. You know what? If you can make your own, you'll be happy. At least you're sure of what goes inside your body. If you can make it, why do you need to buy? Make your own and you'll be happy over what you did. One, there's no preservative, there's no addictive, everything is natural. You can see it came out so well. So I have to put it on airtight container. I see, I put some of it, and now I want to try it out with hot water, making my malted chocolate. So let's try it together and see how it came out. If it's the same as the store-bought. I added powdered milk. This is optional. There's already powdered milk on the mortar drink. So I added my hot water. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, it came out so well, full of flavor. Wow. Just as I always encourage you, make your own recipe. At least you are sure of what is inside. You see, it came out so well, so yummy. Everything tastes the same as store-bought. Will you be trying it out? So here I use this airtight container. I was able to get 1 kg of this Ovaltine. So I put it inside this container. So I'll be storing it. It can last up to 3 months. So let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe on the comment section. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.